Okay, here's how to create a new Google form. Choose New. Give your form a name. You can also give it a description. Ask them to enter their and leave that a short answer. You want to make that a required field. Then add another question. Would be, and you want to give them 2 options, so choose your first. Then you want to add their second option. You can also give them an other option if you'd like to, if they want to fill in. Again, make it a required question. You can continue with another question. This keeps cutting in and out on me. I am so sorry. I keep having to hit re-record. And then you can, so these are just multiple choice, but you can see how easy it is to add multiple choice. But you always want to make sure they're required so they can't accidentally skip them. And you probably want to make sure that they put their name, or maybe it's their sport that you want them to put there, so you know who's voting. Now, once you're finished with all of your options, you want to title your form. You can just click there and it'll automatically put the name you've used here. It'll put it in there. And when you're finished, you can preview what it's going to look like. You can, oh, that might have been a bad choice. My computer is so slow. I'm going to go back to it. You can change the colors if you want. You can customize it to make it, you know, orange and black. But when you're ready, you hit the send button. Everything is frozen on my computer. You can hit the send button and it'll allow you to email. It'll allow you to just have a link that you can send a link to somebody. Oh, man, this computer. I'm going to click green. I apologize. It seems to be long. There. I'm going to end my recording. Sorry.